Good job, man. Yeah. These guys installing an AC unit, guys. This is how you do it. You gotta learn from the pros, man. Goodman. Yeah, Pinga. Yeah, no good. This guy no good. He poo-poo. Alright guys, so you know them have 3 units set up right now. You see me, I say they're working on it. Looking good. Right? Right.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See? He's Jamaican.
Almost Jamaican.
Venezuela, Venezuela.
Venezuela. Okay. Muchi marijuana. Puerto Rico. Good.
Los recorticos nuevos los echaron por un lado. Ese lo pagaron a 3.20.
Sí, porque limpio lo pagan a 3 pesos.
Pero ahí fueron $80 y en el otro fueron como 40 y pico en el sucio. Era más.
Claro, no te van a dar más de eso.
Fueron 100 y pico pesos.
Y acuérdate que el sucio, cuando es sucio, a ellos no les favorece tenerlo sucio.
Right now, you know, now well it back. This man say welling rods and thing and touch. Welling it right now. See? How we out here? Here the Puerto Ricans
Yeah, man.
and the Venezuelans. Yeah. It's a 3 unit install and thing. I'm gonna install 3 more and thing. I'm up on the job, you know. But when we say content, we have to create content, you know. Yeah. Right now we created some content right now. You see me, I say, big up Goodman.
Big money, big money.
Big money. You making big money?
Big money.
Okay, good. You gonna be
Goodman, Goodman.
yeah, good man. Me hashtag good man. Good man. Good man see you on the YouTube and say, oh, good work. Yeah. We put you on YouTube. Cool it down. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Let me get a piece of this nigga. Yeah, good guy working. Me don't work, man. Me don't work. Me make a video. Right?